Okay, hi everyone. So I've just had a Audi A1 2-litre TDI come into the workshop, and the customer talked about a coolant leak. So as you can see, the coolant's holding well, but actually what happened was that just one day there was a massive dump of coolant that came down into the bottom of the engine. And when I first looked at the car, it was all in the bottom of the under tray, but mostly towards this side of the vehicle, which I thought was rather strange considering everything starts over here, expansion pipe going across the top here. So this led me to want to bring the car, ask the customer to get the car in and get the under tray off. And what I'd realised is that all the way under here was really wet with coolant, oil, etc. What I have noticed is the oil cooler here, and after a little bit of research as well, this is a known fault where the seals go inside. So lots of research firsthand and following around where the pipework goes. My next job in part 2 is going to be taking this off. As you can see, just doing an oil change is actually fairly restricted in this area, just on a side note, and you have to just take this housing off from here, just literally on a Torx bolt there, just over the top in this section here, and just pull this unit away, just out your way here, this unit here. A 32mm bolt, just on top of the housing of the oil filter, which is just here. Okay, to replace it. But as you can see, just a little bit of movement with that there, and you should be able to get that out with both hands. So I'm not going to do that whilst filming. As you can see, this is the carnage that was left from the split in the pipe underneath. Fairly significant, with a mixture of oil and a mixture of coolant. As you can see, it's gone all the way over here. So what I've done is this pipe here, you can see just underneath here, this was leaking